Okay, so now let's start with the exercise 6.5 from 1 to 7th one. Okay, we have discussed this from the solved examples. They all are similar, all are based on linear differential equation. So you will be able to solve it. If doubt, let me know. Now I'm solving the 8th sum, that is BR. Here how many variables are there in 8th sum? 8th sum, 2 variables are there. One is R, second is theta. Okay, so what I can assume that R may be some radius and theta may be some angle in radian for that particular curve. So so let's try to understand what this curve could be and how that curve could be. For example, I have a curve like this. Okay, say I have a curve like this. So what is the coordinate of this particular point? The coordinate of this particular point in term of polar coordinate will be r theta. What is r? R is this distance. What is theta? Theta is this. Similarly, what will be the coordinate of this particular point? This particular point here, it will be again r and theta. But in this case, what will be your r? In this case, your r will be this. This will be your r in this case. And what will be your theta? This will be your theta. So that's how your curve will look like. Okay. So this diagram is only for understanding कि हमें मतलब समझ में आना चाहिए कि कैसा हमारा कर्व दिख रहा है. ओके, जस्ट वो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मैंने आपको ये बताया है. एग्जाम में आपको ये डायग्राम नहीं बनाना है. ओके, सो इसको अभी अरेंज करना है dr by d थीटा के फॉर्म में. सो आई विल गोइंग टू राइट dr by d थीटा. तो ये d थीटा यहाँ आ गया और ये होगा आपका प्लस, ओके, प्लस 2 cot थीटा r. ठीक है, प्लस 2 cot थीटा r. एक काम करते हैं, नेक्स्ट स्टेप में करते हैं, प्लस साइन ऑफ 2 थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0. साइन ऑफ 2 थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0. अब यहाँ पर r है, dr बाय d थीटा, इसका पावर 1 है. इसका मतलब मुझे यहाँ पर r मिलना चाहिए जिसका पावर 1 है. तो यहाँ मुझे मिल गया. व्हाट डज दैट मीन? दैट मीन मैं इसको एक फंक्शन बना लूंगा और इसको एक दूसरा फंक्शन बना लूंगा और मैं इसको लाऊंगा कि लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन के फॉर्म में. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में देखो, नेक्स्ट स्टेप कैसे, dr बाय d थीटा, ओके, लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. ठीक है, तो यहाँ लिखूंगा 2 cot theta r. This I will going to transpose there, so it will become minus sine of 2 theta. Why I have transferred there? Because I have the standard. I need to bring this in a standard linear differential form. What is that standard linear differential form? Standard linear differential form is dy by dx plus ty is equal to q. ये है स्टैंडर्ड लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का फॉर्मेट. तो यहाँ r था, यहाँ y है. ठीक है, यहाँ r था, यहाँ y है, यहाँ r था, यहाँ y है, यहाँ थीटा था. तो ये पूरा फंक्शन थीटा का होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो ये p और x, p और q, ये दोनों भी फंक्शन है किसके? x के. तो यहाँ थीटा है, तो ये p थीटा का फंक्शन होना चाहिए और ये q थीटा का फंक्शन होना चाहिए, जो कि मुझे दिख रहा है. इट मींस मैंने जो अरेंज किया है फंक्शन को वो बिल्कुल सही तरीके से अरेंज किया है. और यहाँ मुझे p की जो वैल्यू मिल रही है, दैट इज व्हाट, p की वैल्यू मुझे 2 cot थीटा मिल रही है और q की वैल्यू मुझे माइनस साइन ऑफ 2 थीटा मुझे मिल रही है. सो व्हाट इज माय नेक्स्ट स्टेप? माय नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज टू फाइंड द इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर. सो इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इज व्हाट? इट इज e to the power of integration of p. Here it will be d theta. ठीक है, here it will be d theta. Correct. So integrating factor will be e to the power of p d theta. That will be e integration of p. What is that p? It is 2 cot theta d theta. 2 तो कॉमन है, बाहर निकाला. What is integration of cot theta? It is log of sin theta. Okay, this I can write as e to the power of log of sin theta the whole square. ठीक है, so this will give you what? This will give you only sin square theta by the logarithmic law. E to the power of log of x square will be just x square. तो मेरा इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर आ गया क्या? sin square theta. Now what will be my solution? My solution will be over here will be r into integrating factor. r क्यों लिखा है मैंने? जनरली अगर यहाँ पर इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर आपका फंक्शन थीटा में है तो सॉल्यूशन में r इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर आएगा, इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर देन योर q d theta plus some constant. So let me write this constant as c2. Now r integrating factor is sine square theta, so I will write sine square theta is equal to integrating factor is sine square theta. What is my q? My q is minus sine of 2 theta. Okay, so let me write minus sine of 2 theta. This is my this is my q. Then d theta plus, assume this as I1 and solve it separately. Okay, so I1 I will going to solve separately. So here my I1 is what? My I1 is equal to, this is minus sign I have taken out. Okay, this sine of 2 theta I can write as 2 sine theta cos theta. So this 2 is a constant, this also I am taking out. Integration of sine square theta into sine theta is sine cube theta. This cos theta will come here and then d theta. So this I need to integrate. What is the factors? One factor is cos theta, second is sine theta or sine square theta or sine cube theta. Which factor is complex here? Complex factor is sine theta is the more complex. Why? Because to the power of 3 is there, wherein cos it is not there. So what you will do? You will going to put sine theta as t. Okay, now you will going to differentiate this. Derivative of sine theta is what? Derivative of sine theta is cos theta d theta is equal to dt. Okay, so your I1 will be minus 2 integration of t to the power of 3 and cos theta d theta will be replaced with only dt. Now it is easy now, right? It will be 3 plus 1 will be 4. So I'm directly writing here 4, okay, upon 4. So what will be the answer? This 2 1 are 2, 2 to the 4. So I will get minus t to the power of 4. Okay, minus t to the power of 4 upon 2. So what is t? T is sine theta. So I'm going to write sine to the power of 4 theta. So this is what is my I1. So this I will going to replace in my equation. So I have got the I1. That I1 I will going to replace it here. Okay, so let me replace that I1 here. So this is what is my I1. Okay, and then I will going to write there as r sine square theta is equal to minus sine to the power of 4 theta upon 2 plus c2. Correct? So you have got the answer now. Now you have to just arrange it. So what you can do, multiply by 2 on both the side, and then it will be 2r sine square theta. This minus I will going to transpose here, so it will become plus sine to the power of 4 theta plus 2, not plus, it will be equal to equal to 2c2. Okay, so means this is what is your answer, but you can write even in this way: sine to the power of 4 theta plus 2r sine square theta is equal to capital C, where capital C is equal to 2c2. This is your answer. Got it? Simple. Now I will going to explain you a trick to find whether how you have to arrange this. Okay, in it is linear differential equation, no doubt. Okay, but in which format you want to arrange this? Do you want to arrange this in dy by dx plus py is equal to q format, or you want to arrange this as dx by dy plus px is equal to q format? तो ये कैसे पहचानो? एक बार ये पहचान लिया तो इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर आप निकाल सकते हो दोनों का, सिर्फ थोड़ा x और y का ही चेंज होगा, बाकी सब कुछ सेम रहता है उसका, है ना? तो आप ये आपको देखना है कि आप इसको कैसे अरेंज करो, मतलब कौन से फॉर्मेट में आएगा, इस फॉर्मेट में, इस फॉर्मेट। तो यहाँ आपको एक बात ध्यान रखना बहुत जरूरी है, क्या? यहाँ dy बाय dx जो है इसका पावर 1 होना चाहिए। अगर इसका पावर 1 है, मतलब डिग्री 1 है, तो ये जो y जो है इसका डिग्री 1 होना चाहिए। That is most important. वही चीज यहाँ पर, अगर यहाँ इसका पावर आपको अगर 1 दिख रहा है तो x का पावर आपको 1 दिखना चाहिए। ये मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। लेकिन इस वाले क्वेश्चन में क्या हो गया है, इस वाले क्वेश्चन में आपको y का पावर 2 दिख रहा है, ठीक है, लेकिन x का पावर यहाँ 1 दिख रहा है, x का पावर यहाँ 1 दिख रहा है, वहां 1, और यहाँ पर भी y का पावर 1 दिख रहा है। तो ये कौन से फॉर्म में अरेंज होगा, इस वाले फॉर्म में अरेंज होगा या इस वाले फॉर्म में अरेंज होगा? तो ये समझना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लगता है यहाँ पर। तो क्या करोगे आप इसको, इसको देखो आपको क्या करना है बताता हूँ। y dx प्लस x माइनस वाई स्क्वायर dy इज इक्वल टू 0। सबसे पहले तो आप इसको डिवाइड कर दो y के साथ, ठीक है, डिवाइडिंग बाय y ऑन बोथ द साइड्स। तो आपको क्या मिला, ये y कैंसिल हो गया, ये y कैंसिल हो गया, आपको मिला dx प्लस x अपॉन y, और एल्स यू कैन इवन राइट लाइक दिस 1 बाय y x माइनस y, ओके, ये पूरा ऐसे आएगा ब्रैकेट में, एंड देन dy इज इक्वल टू 0, ठीक है। अब आप यहाँ पर गौर से देखिए, यहाँ पर जो फॉर्मेट आएगा आपका वो आएगा dx बाय dy। आप डिवाइड बाय dy करो, यहाँ भी डिवाइड बाय dy करो, तो dy कैंसिल हो जाएगा, आपको मिलेगा dx बाय dy, ओके, प्लस 1 बाय y x माइनस y, यस, माइनस y इज इक्वल टू 0। तो अब आप देख पा रहे हो, क्या देख पा रहे हो कि ये जो फॉर्मेट है वो इस वाले फॉर्म का फॉर्मेट आ गया, इस वाले फॉर्म का dx बाय dy, ये dx बाय dy आपको दिख रहा है, इसका पावर 1 दिख रहा है, इसका पावर आपको 1 दिख रहा है, और ये जो है इट इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ y, दिस इज आल्सो ए फंक्शन ऑफ y। सो दिस पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन यू कैन राइट इन दिस वे, dx बाय dy, ओके, प्लस 1 बाय y x इज इक्वल टू y, इस वाले फॉर्म में आ गया, करेक्ट। तो ये है dx बाय dy का फॉर्म। ये ट्रिक आपको समझना है, एक बार ये समझ में आ गई तो फिर क्या है, तो फिर कुछ नहीं है ना, तो फिर आपको सिर्फ इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर का फॉर्मूला लगाना है, वॉट एवर इज योर इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर, वो फॉर्मूला लगाना है, और फिर सॉल्यूशन का फॉर्मूला लगाना है, व्हाट विल बी द सॉल्यूशन, ठीक है, उसका फॉर्मूला आपको लगा के सॉल्व करना है, दैट विल बी योर आंसर। अंडरस्टूड दिस और यू वांट मी टू सॉल्व दिस? ओके, so question number 4, it says that there is a curve that passes through the point 0, 2. So what I'll do, I will name some. So for example, this is a curve, and this curve is passing through a point. Okay, what is that point? Curve passing through the point 0, 2. तो मैं सबसे पहले तो ये एक वेरिएबल तो मुझे लेना है, तो मैं x1 लूंगा, and this is passing through a point 0, 2. So let me take this as 0, 2. Okay, now the curve passes through the point 0, 2. The sum of coordinate of any point on the curve, तो जितने भी पॉइंट्स हैं यहाँ पर, इन सब पॉइंट्स के सम ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट्स अगर मैं निकालूं, सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सम ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट्स? सम ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट्स का मतलब होता है एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट और वाई कोऑर्डिनेट, इन दोनों का सम, ये लिखा है द सम ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ एनी पॉइंट ऑन द कर्व। किसी भी पॉइंट पर इन दोनों का कोऑर्डिनेट, हर पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट को अगर मैं ऐड करूंगा, sum of quantity of any point of the curve exceed, the exceed means this, greater than, this exceed meaning is greater than, exceeds the slope of the tangent means exceed the slope of the tangent, slope of a tangent से वो बड़ा होगा, of the tangent to the curve at that point by 5. What is the meaning of this by 5? by 5 यहाँ आपको लिखना है, इसका मतलब आपका इक्वेशन क्या बनेगा, x plus y इज इक्वल टू, ये 5 यहां आ जाएगा, 5 प्लस dy बाई dx, ये आपका इक्वेशन बनेगा। अब आपको इसको अरेंज करना है लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन के फॉर्म, ठीक है, ये ऑलरेडी dy बाई dx लिखा है, तो यू आर श्योर दैट दिस विल बी dy बाई dx, ओके, dy बाई dx प्लस प्लस आपको यहाँ y है तो y लाना पड़ेगा ना यहाँ पर, तो मैं यहाँ पर y, ये यहाँ शिफ्ट हो गया, तो इट विल बी -1 y, because I am transposing this y over here, and this 5 I will going to transpose there, so this will be equal to x, okay, x minus 5. So I have written this particular equation in which form? In the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q is a function in x. तो मुझे मिल गया ना, मुझे जो चाहिए था वो मिल गया। ऑन कंपेयरिंग मुझे मिला p की वैल्यू -1 और q की वैल्यू x minus 5. Now what is the integrating factor? Integrating factor e to the power of integration of p it will be dx or dy, it will be dx. Why? Because I am derivating, नीचे dx है ना, तो इसलिए यहाँ पर dx लिखूंगा. With e to the power of integration of minus p की वैल्यू -1 है, -1 dx. This is nothing but e to the power of minus x. So my integrating factor is this. Now what will be the solution? Solution will be, okay, solution is your integrating factor is in term of x. So my solution will be y into integrating factor is equal to integration of integrating factor, then q, here it will be dx. Okay, dx plus c. Why here it will be dx? Because I am differentiating this with respect to x. तो इंटीग्रेट भी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x ही करना है. ओके, तो मुझे ये मिल गया अभी. y इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर है e to the power of minus x is equal to integration e to the power of minus x is your integrating factor, and what is your q? Q is your x minus 5 dx plus c. Okay, now you have to find this integration separately. ये जो part है इसको आप I1 मान लो and then solve this separately. So I will do that. So that I1 part I will going to solve separately. So what are the two factors? One is this, second is this. So how are you going to solve? I will going to solve using integrating by part. So in integrating part I have what? LIA TE. This exponential should come later. So I will going to arrange this as x minus 5 and this exponential will come later. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So it says you need to first arrange it as per the LIATE rule. So I have written that, and then I need to apply integration by parts here. So integration of parts says what? First write x minus 5 as it is, and then integration of e to the power of minus x. So integration of e to the power of minus x is e to the power of minus x divided by coefficient of x, which is -1. Okay. Then minus integration of derivative of this. Derivative of x is 1 and the constant is 0. So I'm not writing it. Then integration of e to the power of minus x. E to the power of integration of e to the power of minus x is e to the power of minus x divided by -1. So let me write it over here. Then dx plus c will come. Okay. Now next. Here this minus I can take up. So it will be in numerator. So it will be x minus 5 e to the power of minus x. Then again I need to take integration of e to the power of minus x, which is nothing but e to the power of minus x. Then divided by coefficient of x, that is -1. So minus into minus will become plus. So I will going to write e to the power of minus x itself. Okay, plus c actually no need to write. So my equation is this. This is what is my equation. Plus c no need to write here because anyway we're going to substitute that there, right? So here the equation will be what can I do this? Here e to the power of minus x I can take common, and then here minus x, minus into minus plus 5, and here it will be plus 1. So I will get e to the power of minus x. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus x. Okay, this is what I'll going to take there. Okay, so that's what I have got here. Integration of I1 is this. That's what I have got here. And then I'm going to write here as y e to the power of minus x is equal to integration of I1, I have solved that separately, plus this c I'm going to write here. Okay, then this is what is the solution. Now I have already got the solution. Okay, this is my solution, but here they have said that when x is equal to 1 minute, when x is equal to 0, the y will be 2. I need to find particular solution. This is a general solution. Okay, this equation or the solution which we have got, this is the general solution. General solution. But in the question they have said that this is passing through point 0, 2. What does that mean? That means when x value of x is 0, the value of y will be 2. So I have to substitute the values of x and y over here. This x I will going to substitute here, here, and here, and y I will going to substitute here. So I will get next answer which I will get is 2. Then e to the power of 0 is equal to e to the power of 0, 4 minus 0 plus c. So when I solve this, I will get c is equal to, this is 2 and this is 1 and this is 4. So it will be minus 4. This plus 4 will be transposed there. So this will become minus 4. So answer is minus 2. So this C value minus 2, I will going to substitute here to get the particular solution. So my particular solution will be y e to the power of minus x is equal to e to the power of minus x 4 minus x, okay, minus 2. This will be my particular solution and will be my final answer. Okay, so let me rearrange it properly. I'm going to divide by e to the power of minus x both the sides. So here it will be y is equal to 4 minus x minus 2 e to the power of x. Okay, then this x I can transpose there. So I will get x plus y is equal to 4 minus 2 e to the power of x. Okay, this can be my answer. Even this can be my answer. Even first one can be my answer. But let's take common. If I can take something common, I can take common 2 minus e to the power of x. This is my final answer. Got it? Fine. So question number 5, it says that if the slope of the tangent to the curve at each of its point is equal to the sum of abscissa and the product of the abscissa and ordinate of the point. Okay, so let's understand what it says. Say I have a curve like this. Okay, now there is a tangent. So I'm going to draw a tangent at some point. So I will going to call this particular point as x and y. This is the coordinates of this particular point. Now, if the slope of the tangent to the curve at that point, at each of its point, मतलब each of this point, मतलब कोई भी point पे आप tangent निकालो, कोई भी point में आप tangent निकालिए, ठीक है? तो वो क्या बनेगा? Each of this point, the slope of the tangent at this. So slope की बात कर रहा है तो मुझे dy by dx लिखना पड़ेगा. Slope की बात कर रहा है, slope of the tangent. So dy by dx to the curve at any point is equal to. So I'm going to write is equal to sum of the abscissa. Matlab I have to do the sum of what? Of abscissa. What do you mean by abscissa? X coordinate is called abscissa, and sum of this abscissa and the product of abscissa and ordinate. Product means multiplication, abscissa means x coordinate, and ordinate means y coordinate. So it will be x into y. So I have got the equation, I have formed the equation, and what it says, also the curve near differential equation form. So what to do? We have to solve this in some way. How to solve? In this chapter, first we started with a method called variable separator method. Okay, then if variable separator method is not possible, then what we started with substitution. Okay, if that substitution is also not possible, then what we started with homogeneous differential equation. If homogeneous equation is also not possible, then what we started with linear differential equation. Okay, so here I इसको वेरिएबल सेपरेटर मेथड से कर सकता हूँ. कैसे? ये 1 प्लस वाई है ना, इसको मैं नीचे लेके आता हूँ यहाँ पे 1 प्लस वाई, और ये dy यहाँ आ जाएगा इज इक्वल टू x, ये dx यहाँ चले जाएगा, तो ये सेपरेट हो गया ना, x सेपरेट हो गया, y सेपरेट हो गया. So using variable separator method I can do it. Now what is the next step? Next step is just to do integration and plus some constant, say I will write c. So here the integration of this will be log of 1 plus y, integration of this x will be x square by 2 plus c. This is my answer. But what is this answer? This is a general solution. Okay, they have given in the question that you have this particular curve passes through 0 1. It means x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, if I substitute that, then I should get 1 plus 1, that is 2, is equal to 0 square upon 2, that is again 0, plus c. So when I solve this, I am getting the value of c as log 2. Now this log 2, I will going to substitute the value of c as log 2 over here, here to get the particular solution. So my final answer will be log of 1 plus y is equal to x square upon 2 plus log of 2. This will be my final answer. If you want, you can even write this as this minus log 2. You can transpose here, so it will become log of 1 plus y minus log 2 is equal to x square by 2. You can write further as log of 1 plus y divided by 2 is equal to x square by 2. If you want, you can even remove this log, and then you can write this as e to the power of x square by 2 is equal to 1 plus y upon 2. Okay, if you want, you can even reduce this as y plus 1 is equal to 2 e to the power of x square by 2. Then uh, yeah, this is what is your final answer. If you want, you can even write this as y is equal to 2 e to the power of x square by 2 minus 1 is your final answer. So all these is your final answer. It could be this, it could be this, it could be this, it could be this in term of log, this, all is your final answer. Got it?